this oddly speaking about. Kennedy Town is well connected to the rest of Hong Kong through various modes of transportation. Here are the main transportation options for getting to and around Kennedy Town. MTR, Mass Transit Railway. Kennedy Town has its own MTR station on the Island Line. This provides convenient access to other parts of Hong Kong, including Central, Admiralty, and Causeway Bay. Buses. Several bus routes serve Kennedy Town, providing transportation to various destinations across Hong Kong. Trams. The Hong Kong Tramways runs through Kennedy Town, offering a scenic and affordable mode of transportation along the northern coast of Hong Kong Island. Taxis. Taxis are readily available in Kennedy Town and can be hailed on the street or found at designated taxi stands. Minibuses. Kennedy Town is also served by minibuses, which are smaller public buses that operate on specific routes. It's important to note that transportation options may change over time, so I recommend checking with local transport authorities or using transportation apps for the most up-to-date information on routes, schedules, and fares. Are you looking for your perfect property in Kennedy Town, be it an apartment with roof, a flat, an apartment, walking distance to sea view, waterfront, mountain view, for sale or lease or rent in Kennedy Town? We at Champion Property Agency, with over 20 years of property experience in Hong Kong Island and Kennedy Town, will help you find your perfect property. Please call us at telephone 67392655 today.
Kennedy Town in Hong Kong is home to several playgrounds where children can play and enjoy outdoor activities. Here are a few playgrounds in Kennedy Town. Belcher Bay Park Playground. Located within Belcher Bay Park, this playground features a variety of play equipment such as slides, swings, climbing structures, and sandpits. It offers a pleasant waterfront setting and is popular among families. Cadogan Street Temporary Playground. This temporary playground is situated on Cadogan Street and offers a range of play equipment suitable for different age groups. It provides a space for children to engage in active play and socialize with other kids. Smithfield Playground. Located near Smithfield Municipal Services Building, this playground offers play equipment including slides, swings, and climbing structures. It is a popular spot for families in the neighborhood. Welcome to Kennedy Town in Hong Kong offers a variety of dining options, shops, and supermarkets. Here are some popular choices in the area. Dining. Catch, a seafood-focused restaurant offering a variety of dishes. Chino, a casual eatery serving Mexican and Japanese fusion cuisine. Café Siam, a Thai restaurant known for its authentic flavors. Alvy's, a pizzeria and craft beer bar. Shops. The Westwood, a boutique shop offering a curated selection of clothing, accessories, and home decor items. The Bottle Shop, a specialty store with a wide selection of craft beers, wines, and spirits. Kennedy Town Market, a local market offering fresh produce, groceries, and household items just around MTR exit. Supermarkets. Welcome, a popular supermarket chain in Hong Kong, with a branch located in Kennedy Town. Parking Shop, another well-known supermarket chain with a branch nearby. Mark and Spencer's supermarket from UK for expat choice of foods. Fusion, a smaller supermarket offering a range of imported and local products.
Hello, any interested and needed more details, please watching our video, or call us for details 61083371. The acquisition of big space apartment building in the prime location of Kennedy Town is imminent. 2 bedrooms with rooftop for gardening or barbecue parties for your friends or pets, space and views, style decorated and ready to move in, convenient transportation, acquired and rebuilt. You can check it out as soon as you have. Call, phone or WhatsApp 610-83371. 610-83371. Here is information. It has high acquisition potential. The building has been newly renovated. 2 rooms are practical and have many windows on the upper floors. It is newly renovated. Bank estimates are high. The rental return is high. Practical 499 square feet with rooftop. Please check it out as soon as you have. Call us for viewing apartment or WhatsApp 610-83371. 610-83371.